Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix 267 updated. Restart the device and check the connection to isolate the error. I'll walk you step by step through common causes, quick checks, and reliable fixes that actually work. Keep a calm pace and follow along, pausing the video if you need time to test each change. By the end, you should know which fixes to try first and when to seek professional help. Start with simple diagnostics to save time and frustration. Power cycle the device, inspect cables, and confirm network stability before deeper fixes. Check recent software installs or updates that preceded the error so you can roll back if needed. Note any error messages or patterns you see because those clues speed up the repair. These steps weed out easy problems and set you up for targeted solutions try common fixes in order to minimize risk and downtime. Clear cache and reset settings first, then reinstall the app or component showing error 267. Update firmware or drivers from official sources only and avoid experimental builds. If a hardware fault is likely, run built-in diagnostics and swap suspect parts one at a time. Take notes of each change so you can revert if something makes the issue worse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.